Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Air. Actually, I come from Bogor Province, Hosai District, but now I live in Vientiane capital. And yes, as you know, I live in the jungle when I stay in my hometown. So now I live in Vientiane capital, and I also enjoy the vibe like this. You know where is it? I don't know when I fall in love with the vibe with the jungle or the plants. So I'll take you to somewhere. If you know this place, you can come and visit me. I went at lunchtime and I take up the bird. I always go to enjoy the view of the nature. I love nature. Let's see. What a beautiful trees. Two trees. What a beautiful view. And you can view. Yeah, what a beautiful. I love the vibes like this. Oh my god. When I see these plants, you see over there, a lot of them. When I see these plants, I miss the old time when I was at college. But now I'm finished. I don't know to call it in English, but also don't know in Lao. And a fisher there, fisher as chào pa mong, or I don't know to say in Lao, sao pa mong.